How does iOS 27 run on iPhone 16 Pro Max? Is it better than iOS 26 stable release? Let's find out in this video. Talking about performance, when I use clear or tinted icons, I have noticed some stutters in the UI and smoothness. But with the default icons, it is completely fine. In default icons, the performance, heat management, and stability is impressive, especially judging it's a public beta. Apps open up quick, and I have not noticed any major lag or stutters when I'm using the default icons. Also, the stability is very good. I have not noticed app crashes. And compared to the iOS 26 stable release, it is smoother, and the app speed, animation speed, and smoothness feels better than iOS 26 stable. And the responsiveness also feels better than iOS 26 in my experience. I'm using iOS 27 Developer Beta 1 and currently Public Beta 2, and my battery health is still at 100% with 255 cycle count. And I'm getting decent battery life, as you can see from the info or the battery stats. I can surely say it is better than iOS 26.5.2. I did notice that the Wi-Fi got disconnected at times, but apart from that, I have not had any connectivity issues. Also, the Wi-Fi issue is not very frequent. It happens rarely. I didn't had any issues while using the camera as well. Transition while using separate camera lenses is also very smooth. And as you can see, while I record a video, there is no problem or stutter while switching to the lenses. In my experience, my iPhone 16 Pro Max feels better in iOS 27 compared to the iOS 26. If this video helped you in any way, please leave a like and let me know in the comments which iPhone are you using and which iOS version are you using. And subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.